Is your faucet still dripping even after you turn it off? In this video, I'll show you how to replace a faucet cartridge, remove the old cartridge, install the new one, and stop that annoying drip. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Not all faucets are designed the same and may vary slightly depending on the make and model. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. A faucet that continues to drip after it's turned off is often caused by a worn cartridge. The replacement cartridge you need depends on the make and model of your faucet. Start by turning on the faucet, then shut off the water supply underneath the sink. If your faucet doesn't have shutoff valves, turn off the main water supply to the house instead. Once you've confirmed the water is completely off, remove the small cover on the handle if needed. Then use an Allen key to loosen the handle screw and remove the handle. Step 2. Remove. With the handle removed, unscrew the trim cap to expose the cartridge. Pull the old cartridge straight out. Before installing the replacement, compare the old cartridge with the new one to make sure you have the correct part. Step 3. Install. Before installing the new cartridge, make sure the orange gasket is properly seated by pressing it into place. Insert the new cartridge into the faucet, using the guide pins to align it correctly. You'll know it's fully seated when it no longer moves from side to side. Reinstall the trim cap and tighten it until it's snug. Slide the handle back into place, tighten the hex screw with the Allen key, and reinstall the handle cover. Turn the water supply back on and test the faucet to make sure it's working properly. And the dripping has stopped. And that's it! Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one.